Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
How's it going, boys?
Good.
Here we are again. Tommy, what week is this on
This
the
is week
build?
8 of our 2-week build. And hopefully we don't roll into week 9. We'll see how that plays out.
When we say build, it's only a day, so it's 8 days.
And it's really only like 5 to 6 hours.
Yeah,
that
we're,
day.
yeah,
So
we're not.
we joke around, so it really is gone really fast.
Yeah.
So, but it's fun to.
We listen to Martin's jokes and don't get anything done.
2-hour lunches.
2-hour lunches. That gentleman's lunch.
But today we're going to finish it.
We are?
We're going to try.
I like your enthusiasm.
Thank you, Matt Jackson. Yes, so stick with us today. 63 Beetle's going to get a lot of loving. Finish up the interior completely. And a little cut and buff, see what happens there. So
Yeah, we're going to polish this thing, and you're going to stay here and watch it all unfold.
hopefully, stick with us and let's see what happens.
Let's do this.
Woo!
So it needs to be sunny and it needs to be like spring gearing.
Hey, you know we gotta do that. You know, remember that song?
Here, let me get that spot right there. All right. We're wet sanding a car. Fun stuff.
So we want to polish it today, and we're thinking the first best step is to go ahead and wet sand it to get it closer to polishing.
Get a bit of a run through.
All right, we've got the wet sanding done. It's much smoother now, and we're gonna give it a bath, and then we're gonna start buffing on it.
Denise's car, so nice.
All right, Tommy's moving out of the way. It's time to polish this thing. We've got multiple polishers here. We've moved the car out of the puddle, and it looks really nice when it was wet, so we're hoping to get that shine back. So what are we using?
Liquid light duty compounding glaze. This is just a very light cut.
Okay, and its initial results are looking very
Oh,
promising.
I'm very happy.
This is I don't know if you can see that, but it's really pretty shiny. So we're gonna get at it. All right, Martin is painting the rearview mirror.
This is what you want to use, German metallic silver. It's the
You can
closest
see
you're gonna get. You can get it at any hobby store.
So it's gonna
Look at it. I mean,
it's got silver flake in it.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna show you how to install the vapor barrier.
All right, what we're doing is I use double-sided banner tape. What a lot of people skip is they don't put a moisture barrier behind their door panels. And so that's why you see door panels that are super wavy at the bottom. So just some cheap two-sided tape. I use banner tape though. And you just start going through and taping it up.
So this is banner tape. It's
Yeah.
specifically banner tape.
Yeah. And it's super cheap on Amazon. I think this roll was like 10 bucks.
All right, you're just removing the back.
Yeah, I just cut it there.
Now that we've got the tape all the way around, we're putting the plastic on.
So what we do is we cut it to the width. Length doesn't matter. And you kind of just take it and stretch it over it. Go ahead and push it up top. That side. And you kind of just stretch it. Here, go along what I'm going. Yeah. And just keep going down. Keep it tight. There we go. You just pop your holes in. Cover all your tape. And that's it.
And you take a razor blade and you cut around.
And you just get a really sharp razor blade. Just barely skim it. Done.
All right, getting the new pea shooters on there, finishing touches.
Well, we've been buffing and buffing away at it. It's almost lunchtime.
Look at that. Look, you can see. You could read a book inside of it. That looks really good. Oh, you know
Because
what
that is the real shot paint
That's
job.
old acrylic enamel right there,
Yeah.
baby. All day long.
Concave
Just
shine. You can just
grind away.
I
at it.
was holding on to it in some spots.
Yeah, and it doesn't even melt up. Ha 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 ha. Martin's getting hangry. We got to go accomplish lunch. Here's
I'm getting hangry. I want to eat.
the whole shop's empty, and we're out here in the driveway.
Yeah, it's such a nice day today too.
I'm all sad. I miss hamburgers. Oh, look at that.
We got it polished. So now we're gonna give it one more washing to get all of the gunk off of it. And then it's gonna go into the shop to finish the interior. But we're real happy so far.
Woo, hey, yeah. It's looking good, man.
It's been nice to actually, it's October in Texas. It's been nice to be able to work outside with a little breeze going today.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Now we're gonna wash it real good. Then we're gonna polish it up and put some trim on it, put some interior in it.
Tommy's gonna start on the front windshield. Martin got the crossbar and the 2 panels installed already.
Nice.
So wow, it looks really shiny. Step 1 for the trim is putting in the little rubber things. Martin's technique is get a screwdriver.
Phillips head, and you just kind of poke it through.
And then they pop right in. Alright, so we've got all the little clips in, and we're going to pop it into the door. Alright. So much better once we get the seal replaced and the trim installed. We're deciding to reuse the original door panels because they look pretty cool.
Oh yeah, they're just nasty.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
For being as pitted as it was,
The German metallic silver came through, huh?
it's not bad.
Martin got, after the paint, it looks so nice, and we got the visors connected, so looks really good.
Very small pin.
Very small pin, lots of pressure fighting against you.
Yep.
Oh, there you go. Boy, that looks great. And it's protected from the elements with our moisture barrier.
Oh yeah, nothing but the best.
All right, Gary got the other door panel in, and now we got to get the door card in right here, and we'll have all the panels in.
Yeah.
Well, I got the rear seat belts in, but we're doing the fronts now. And if you have a 63, you'll have to buy these little adapters that... this little adapter will screw into the tunnel here, and that lets you screw the bolt into it, like that.
Yeah, 62 to 65, I think.
Yep. And the previous owner put a hole in the floor right here, so there's just a washer and a bolt holding that in. So that's kind of how you set up an early car with seat belts. You just put a hole in right there. Then there's a washer and a bolt. So now the rear seat's gonna go in, and the front seats, and then the windshield.
So, here, where do you want to touch it?
How do you do it?
Just
push
right
in
here.
the middle, right?
Right. No, I saw it. I saw what Matt Jackson did. You come through here and you just start
Just start
punching, right?
pounding.
Okay, we are going to watch Tommy from the inside do his magic. Gary has post-traumatic windshield syndrome. After breaking 3, he's already starting to glitch out of it. You can see him start to spaz.
I can't watch. I can't do it. I mean, I'm seriously right now, I'm having an anxiety attack, whatever that is. I don't have any anxiety. This is the only anxiety I have right here, windshield anxiety.
So one of our viewers said his dad used to wax his string.
That's the same as silicone, ain't it?
Yeah, the old school way. So
Tommy is applying spray silicone to make it slide.
Hey, whatever you do, don't let that Jackson motor start beating on it.
yeah, right.
Woo! There you go.
Look at that.
They're pretty good.
Wow. We got the new seat belts in
Well, we'll
there.
mess with the back seat of the.
It looks so sharp. With the headliner.
Seats are in. Visor and mirrors in.
So, are we gonna wax it?
I've got spray wax.
So I'll leave that there. Trim, rear seat bar, door panel vapor barriers, P-shirters, rear seat, kick panel, seat belt inserts, clean rails, install seats, chrome grille trim, I haven't done that yet. Windshield seal, seat belts gray, left and rear attached door panels, left and right door seals, check fluid, adjust brakes, clean rail. So here's what we got.
I've got a wax.
Wax, move steering lock, adjust brakes.
The list is very short. We didn't quite do it today, but it wasn't because we weren't trying.
Well, everybody, it's been a very, very productive day today.
Yep. The transformation has transpired.
Lots of cutting, lots of buffing, lots of shining.
Yep. Front windshields in, door panels, seats,
Trim,
seat belts, all the exterior trim.
visors.
We were so close. One of the big things you got to know is sometimes is you've just been putting in a full day. It's okay. You just, it's okay to push off a little bit to the next day. So that's what we're going to do. We got one more, maybe half a day and it's done. I'm really, really happy with how the 63 is coming along. Thank you guys for joining us today. It's been a long, hard day, but we pushed through and we're really happy. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the stuff we got done today. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. We do this for you guys, the VW community. That's what it's all about. Get out there and work on your Volkswagens, whatever it is. Remember, you don't have to be a big, massive day like today was. Just get in there and do one little thing at a time, and sooner or later, they'll get on the road for you. Thanks, guys. See y'all soon.